Damn, bro. I think I need a bike, eh? Must be nice. Must be nice. What's going on, everybody? It's Joshua Latu, and I'm back with another video. I forgot what I was trying to say. Anyways, I just got back. We did our burpees, and I did a little running today. The heat is suicidal out there. It was 97 degrees. It's 97 degrees out there. We got out there, we did 20 burpees, ran, did 20 burpees, run again, and so on. I wasn't gonna document it, but I thought let's try and make some people, try and motivate some people today, and you know, get them off the bed. It's, I hope that it's motivating some of y'all to get out there and keep doing what you got to do. Trying to stay disciplined with weight loss process. I have to admit, I've been slacking on not necessarily my training, but my diet. I've been eating a little too much carbs every now and then, and yeah, sometimes you gotta when you fall off, don't fall all the way off. Just make sure you get back up, and because you can never out train a bad diet. You got to make sure that you're eating right if you want to lose weight. Anyways, guys, here's the video. Enjoy. You already know what to do. Subscribe, like, and share the video so we're able to motivate, especially South Pacific people, out there. Alright, guys, so today I did 20 burpees in 5 increments within 3+ miles. Beautiful day. Beautiful hot summer day. Oh yeah. All right, guys, that was 40 burpees done, and we have 60 left to go. All right, let's turn back. Damn, bro. I think I need a bike, eh? Must be nice. Must be nice. So they came past me, right? And I said, oh, and one of them said, I feel you. Because she was looking at me suffering, you know, and kept trying to catch my breath and all that good stuff. And in my mind, I was just like, how you gonna say that from a bike? You don't feel me. You don't know what I'm going through. Huh? You're on a bike. You're feeling the breeze. You're going in a faster rate. Last one. Oh. Alright, y'all, I'm just heading back right now. Done with my 100 burpees. Feeling good, sweating, but I was really dehydrated. So make sure, guys, if it's really hot outside and you're planning on going to work out, make sure you hydrate before you leave, or you take some water with you. Now we've come to the end of the video. You guys stay safe, stay active, and keep pushing, guys. That's it from me. Y'all have a great day. See you next video. Peace out.